Hi, this is Izzy from Endless RVing, and today's video I'm going to install an LED strip light underneath the passenger side slide of my Newmar.
We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm going.
So what I ordered to do this was a Minger 5-meter LED flat tape light strip. I ordered this from Amazon. I believe it was $23. The reason why I ordered this is because it's self-adhesive 3M backing, it's flat tape, and it's Wi-Fi also, which is going to allow me to control the functions of the lights via an app from my smartphone. So I already unboxed it prior to starting the video. In the box there's one reel with the LED light strip with the controller. You have your power adapter. It comes with some, these are some nylon securing tabs to help to secure the tape on the LED strip. Alcohol prep pad. I also ordered an additional package of cable clip locks. I believe there's 40 in here, just in case I needed some more. These are like $4. And this I had laying around. It's just a 3-way connector, outlet connector. And the reason why I'm going to use this is because I'm going to run the wiring into the basement of the Class A, and I only have one outlet there, so it's just going to split it. So I'm going to get everything prepped, and then I'll come back and show you the installation. So here's the slide where I'm going to run the LED light strip under. It's going to be the front passenger slide. This Baystar does not come with any LED light strips. I'll show you exactly where I plan on running putting the tape. So if you look right under here, this is the top of the slide. I'm going to run it right along, right down, all the way down to the front, and then I'm going to run the cabling through a little hole and into the basement. So I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to cut out cut the tape to the appropriate length and mount it up and come back and show you what it looks like. So we're back. The tape has been installed. You can see it's running down the length of the entire slide. Like I said before, it's 3M self-adhesive tape backing, and the LEDs are flat as can be. So I ran them right underneath where the slide closes. I already ran the slide closed. There was no issue with any kind of interference. I'll show you. I did use some of the nylon cable brackets. Used a couple of those right at the beginning here. There's a little bit of problem with the tape, the 3M tape there. I'm not quite sure why, but resolved it with the brackets. Have them there, and if you look, I also used one of the brackets to manage the excess wiring here. And if you look closely, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's my controller. It's in a crevice right behind the wall here. Doesn't interfere with the slide closing. The power cable, you can see it's running right there. Another crevice. I run the cable right over to where the bar is for the slide. Make a little cut in the rubber, no big deal. That runs it down into my basement. I then ran the cable, zip tied it to my blue cables. Run it over the frame there. We'll run to the other side. And I do apologize if this video is not very clear, but I'm in a tight spot here. Here's the cable, the power cable. Run it down. Here's my inverter. And then here's my power source, where ultimately it's going to end up. It's plugged in over here. You see I have my 3-way connector. It's still daytime right now, so I'll hit the power for you, but it's not gonna really see it that well. I'll come back at night and show you what it looks like. But there you go, it lights up. Still see it a little bit during the day. So the whole installation took me about 40 minutes. A lot of that was just because I'm a little OCD and making sure all the wires were nice and zip tied tightly. The final part of this installation is going to be downloading the GoV app and then hooking that up via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to my iPhone, and then I'll be able to control the lights via my iPhone without having to touch the connector. So what I'll do, I'll screen video that while I'm doing that, and then I'll come back at night and show you what this looks like at night. We'll light it up and show you what it's like. So here we have the GoV app downloaded. You're gonna navigate the app, you're gonna look for H6160, you're gonna click on that, and it's gonna ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi. So take a couple of seconds. When the device name shows up, I rechanged the name to Baystar Slide LED. From there, it's going to automatically connect to my Wi-Fi, ask for a password, which I skipped forward. Once you enter that password, it's going to connect, and now you can see the navigation controls for your LED lights. Hey everybody, so we're back out. It's about 9:30 p.m. Just got back from the boardwalk out here in Virginia Beach. I just want to give you a look at how the lights look at nighttime. They're extremely bright. I have them set up right now, alternating colors on auto. They're looking really good. Looks like they're going to have a nice be a nice addition to the Baystar. I'm just going to pull back a little. I don't know how well it's going to light up. It's dark out here, but you could see the colors. It's a nice little glow to the ground. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, you want to see more content, or bring you more quality content on RVs, please like, share, and subscribe below. And we appreciate your time watching the video, and we'll see you on the road.